Burmese tea leaf salad, a gastronomic masterpiece often referred to as Lahpet, a culinary gem and national treasure. This recipe unfolds like a rich tapestry of flavors, so grab a cup of your favorite tea and some delightful biscuits, for we are about to delve into the nuanced art of Burmese cuisine. 1 mug of broad beans, 1 mug of sesame seeds, 1 mug of chana dal, 2 mugs of peanuts, 2 mugs of green tea leaves, 1 mug of green chana, 1 mug of garlic cloves, 1 mug of lima beans. To initiate this culinary odyssey, commence by soaking the green tea leaves in boiling water for precisely 10 minutes. Concurrently, engage in the fine art of slicing fresh garlic using either a hand slicer or a food processor. In a spacious pan, choreograph a symphony of flavors by frying the thinly sliced garlic in 5 cups of oil. A fragrant prelude to the dish. Exercise a vigilant eye as the garlic gracefully transitions into a golden hue. The aromatic dance of garlic will permeate your kitchen, hence it's advisable to keep those windows ajar. Now let's turn our attention to the meticulous preparation of beans and dals. By boiling green chana, having been soaked overnight with a teaspoon of bicarbonate soda, requires a gentle boil for precisely 6 minutes. Lima beans, also having basked overnight with bicarbonate soda, undergo a 6-minute boiling session. Chana dal, having soaked overnight with bicarbonate soda, takes its turn in the boiling water for a precise 6 minutes. Broad beans soaked only in hot water. Without bicarbonate soda, also join the boiling spectacle for 6 minutes. For all boiling beans and dals, exercise precision by carefully removing any surface scum that may arise. Returning to the reinvigorated green tea leaves, give them a good squeeze, transferring them to a separate bowl. The residual liquid can be repurposed for nourishing your garden plants. Elevate the tea leaves with an array of spices. 1 tablespoon of salt, 1 tablespoon of paprika powder, 1 teaspoon of MSG, 3 tablespoons of chopped garlic, 1 tablespoon of chopped ginger, 3 finely chopped chilies. A thorough mix ensues. Punctuated by the addition of a squeeze from a large lemon and the introduction of 1 cup of sunflower oil. Stirring the concoction one final time, store it in jars. Generously topping them off with extra oil. Allow this ambrosial mixture to rest in a dark cupboard for 3 days before finding its permanent abode in the fridge. This aromatic treasure trove is designed to last up to 6 months, ensuring it's perpetually embraced by the protective cloak of oil. Now, transition to the mesmerizing art of frying. Lima beans, gracefully undergoing transformation in approximately 10 minutes, or until they ascend to the surface. Chana dal, engaging in a dance of flavours for an equivalent duration of 10 minutes. Green chana, reaching readiness when it rises to the top. Peanuts, a swift transformation requiring a mere 3 minutes. Broad beans, concluding the frying spectacle in approximately 7 minutes. Exercise utmost caution during the frying process, ensuring a well-ventilated space with windows, doors, and an extractor fan engaged. With the aromatic symphony of fried delights at our disposal, it's time to assemble these culinary masterpieces. Sprinkle 1 tablespoon of salt over the fried mixture and orchestrate a thorough mix, resonating with the harmonious melody of crispiness. Bottle up this masterpiece for an extended shelf life of over 6 months. Transitioning to the pièce de résistance, the Burmese tea leaf salad. In a culinary canvas, add 4 tablespoons of the meticulously prepared tea leaves. Introducing a medley of chopped tomatoes and onions. Elevate the composition with 3 spoons of the impeccably fried bean mixture, garnishing with freshly chopped coriander and a spritz of lemon. Behold, a culinary masterpiece that not only tantalizes the taste buds, but also serves as a remarkable coffee alternative. Thank you for joining me on this gastronomic odyssey. If you relish this culinary deep dive, let me know which other Burmese dishes you'd like me to unravel. Your engagement is much appreciated, so please consider giving this video a like, subscribing for more culinary adventures, and sharing the joy with friends and family. Until our next rendezvous in the kitchen, happy cooking!